Hey guys, welcome back to TechHood 254. This is Wycliffe, and on this channel we make videos on how to make an income online in Kenya. So if you like such content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every single time that we upload a video. Now in this particular video, it's gonna be a really short one because I'm just going to be giving you a single idea on how you can make money online in Kenya during this pandemic season. Now, a lot of people want to make money online, and a lot of people want to make money in general, but sometimes people forget that you need a skill to make money. And so this video is precisely about that. I'm talking about one skill that you can learn to help you make an income during this period. Now, people are going to be losing their jobs, and a lot of people already have lost their jobs because of what's going on with the COVID-19 and the lockdowns and all this nonsense. So what you need to do is take advantage of this situation and think about how you could use this to help you grow and help you help other people as well. You need to find a technique that you can use to be of service to other people while helping yourself to grow. Now, this one method that I'm going to be sharing with you is learning the skill of resume writing and helping people polish up their CVs and their resumes. Because people are losing their jobs, it means they're going to be looking for new jobs. It doesn't mean jobs are completely gone forever. There are always going to be jobs, and people who have lost jobs are going to be looking for jobs. And you know what happens when people are looking for jobs? Yeah, they need to, polish up their CV. They need their CVs written, and they need to have something that looks professional. And that's where you come in. If you learn the skill of resume writing and how to make it look extremely polished, you can take an advantage of this situation and help the thousands of people that are going to be looking for jobs out there to find work. Now, what you need to do is to be smart about this. You need to position yourself psychologically and make it seem as though that your resume writing skills and your resume polishing skills is the only thing that stands between this person and their new job. And if you do that successfully, trust me, you are going to have thousands of people that are willing to pay top dollar for your service. Now, I hope somebody is going to take this idea and run with it because it will help you if you do so. Don't forget, having the skill is not the only thing you need to do. You also need to know how to market, and you also need to know how to sell that skill. With those two things coupled together, trust me, you're going to be on your way to success. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we do share a lot of such videos quite frequently. And share this video with somebody who you believe might want to hear such information. I'll see you guys in the next one.